Hi, my name is Daisy and this is how to have a tea party. Step 1. Invite your friends. This is a pretty important step since a tea party alone is technically not a tea party. Step 2. Collect your glassware for said tea party. This is technically optional, but a tea party is always better when you have a china set to set the table with. Step 3. Prepare your food. For this example, I'll be making egg sandwiches, cucumber sandwiches, scones with jam and clotted cream, and sweet pastries. However, it's up to you what you have on the menu. Step 4. Prepare your tea. It's not a tea party without tea, so start by selecting your flavor of choice. I chose Earl Grey. Place your tea bag into the teapot, then fill your kettle with water and wait for it to come to a boil. Once boiling, pour your water into the teapot and wait 1 minute while swirling the tea bag around, or until your tea is at its desired strength. This is optional, but you can film a creamer pitcher with milk in case anyone wants to add milk to their tea. Step 5. Set this table and display your food. Step 6. Wait for your friends to arrive. Step 7. Enjoy the tea in the company of your friends.